The TEAMGROUP Elite SODIMM DDR5 64GB laptop memory module is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's performance. This memory module, consisting of two 32GB sticks, operates at an impressive 5600 MHz, ensuring faster data transfer rates and smoother multitasking capabilities. With a frequency of 5600 MHz, it's designed to handle intensive tasks with ease, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals who require high-performance computing. One of the standout features of this memory module is its energy efficiency. Operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V, it conserves energy without compromising performance, making it an eco-friendly choice for users who are conscious of their power consumption. This lower voltage operation also helps in reducing heat generation, which can be beneficial for maintaining optimal laptop temperatures during extended use. The TEAMGROUP Elite SODIMM DDR5 64GB also supports SODIMM error-correcting code, which enhances system stability by detecting and correcting data corruption on the fly. This feature is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data, especially during heavy computing tasks, ensuring that your system remains reliable and efficient. In terms of compatibility, this memory module adheres to JEDEC standards, making it compatible with all major laptop platforms available in the market. This broad compatibility ensures that you can upgrade your laptop without worrying about compatibility issues. Whether you're using a laptop for gaming, video editing, or professional applications, this memory module is designed to seamlessly integrate and enhance your system's performance. With an upgraded capacity of 64GB, multitasking becomes a breeze. You can run multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing any lag or slowdowns, boosting your productivity and overall computing experience. This makes it an ideal choice for power users who demand the best from their systems. Lastly, TEAMGROUP offers a lifetime warranty on this product, providing peace of mind and assurance of its durability and quality. This lifetime warranty reflects the brand's confidence in their product's longevity and performance. Overall, the TEAMGROUP Elite SODIMM DDR5 64GB 5600 MHz memory module is a top-tier upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their laptop's performance. Its combination of high-speed performance, energy efficiency, system stability, and extensive compatibility makes it one of the best choices in the market today. Upgrade your laptop with this powerful memory module and experience the difference in your computing performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.